Go. All right. Okay, so we have to say congratulations to you, Sir Richard Byles. We understand you were on time for work yesterday.
8 o'clock.
The story says at exactly 8 a.m., Richard Byles entered the offices of the Bank of Jamaica to start his tenure as governor of that institution. He replaces Brian Winter to become now the 12th governor of the central bank. You know his history. He has a very storied history in financial sector, very successful.
Very successful.
Storied history. He was the chair, or yes, he previously co-chaired the EPOC program, that's the Economic Program Oversight Committee, which was formed to monitor Jamaica's performance under the IMF agreement. Also, he was the chairman of the Surgical Group. He was also the chairman of Red Stripe. And the list goes on and on and on.
And on. And a family man.
And a family man.
And a family man.
How?
Yeah.
You find time to family in all of that?
How do you find time, busy lady?
Yeah.
We all know you're a busy lady too.
Yeah.
So,
but it just speaks to his work ethic, eh?
It speaks to his work ethic. And you said something there at the top of the story, Simone, the hot topic, which I think is very important for young people to understand. 8 a.m. at exactly. And when we talk about timing, this is a very important lesson this morning, people. All right? What does success look like? What are the principles and the attitude behind successful people? We must always think of that when we tell you, when you hear these stories about successful
punctuality.
people.
Punctuality is a big one.
It's a big one.
Yeah.
What else is going on? Check Counterfeit Products warns the Consumer Affairs Commission, urging parents to be wary of counterfeit products during their back-to-school shopping. Yeah, Director of Communications told the JIS News that parents should be careful of purchasing severely marked down items. They may not be real.
Shocker!
Shocker. All right, so you can go online to see if it's real or not. There you go. A B-bus, Simone.
Oh,
wow. I mean, come on. Some people may...
You know, some may almost never really see it.
Yeah, because you expect in your mind to see
that's
the
what it
DD.
is. That's wow. That is brazen.
Wow.
A B-bus.
A B-bus. That's not the
Good
brand,
luck.
people.
I tell parents good luck with that because, I mean, it is hard unless it is that obvious. And for some people, you might know that tricked you into seeing Adidas there. The things look the same. I mean, when the police hold the counterfeit goods that we see, you can't tell the clerk from the this, the that, and the. So I don't know. Maybe CSC can tell us what exactly to look for on the products that would clue us into the fact that it's not real. Before you spend the big money, because you know parents are going to try to invest that little bit more if the shoes can last a little longer.
Of course. And some people are very okay with counterfeit goods as long as it meets their, demands financially. However, this is another, I like lessons, in life, Simone. You hear my lesson from this hot topic? I would love to see more Jamaican producers of footwear looking at that picture. There comes a time when I'm tired of the import, foreign goods and fancy names. And another lesson, instead of buying expensive foreign goods made by China and European colonizers, why don't you invest in some land? Why don't you invest? Yeah, that me I say.
With the shoes money?
Simone, back in the day, I can tell you, I would have had some serious property if I didn't spend a certain amount of money.
On shoes?
I had a sickness. I was sick. And thank God I'm emancipated. Hallelujah. I was sick. I gave people money that I should have never given them. Simone. Simone, it's true.
I mean, I've always had a shoe problem, but Empress just made me feel better about myself. So,
but you know what? You do have some popping shoes usually.
I don't have a shoe problem anymore.
So, what size are you?
I don't have a shoe problem anymore.
Pass those cute pink shoes you're going to see later.
Moving right along, our final story for today. We mentioned this yesterday, but we want to spend a little bit more time on it today as the tributes continue to pour in for Noel, Dexter, Jamaican composer, renowned Jamaican composer and choir director who passed away on Sunday at the age of 80, they say, after a brief illness. Culture Minister Olivia Grange has said she was saddened to learn of the passing of a man she called a musical icon.
Very good.
Yeah, you didn't know Cecil the chorus copy on his Noel Dexter arrangement? Didn't know that. I was reading it yesterday. Also, tributes came in from opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips, describing him as a creative intellect. Chair of the National Chorale of Jamaica, Christopher Samuda, also saluted Dexter. He directed the University of the West Indies Mona-based University Singers from 1997 to 2012. His daughter Carol and his grandson survived him. So, as Auntie Faye would say, you walk good, Sir Noel?
Yeah, walk good. You know, coincidentally, it was just the day before or 2 days before, I know my father and my Aunt Grace were talking about going to visit him because my parents knew him. I think it was a part of their wedding as well. And they were just talking about going to visit him, and then he got the call while I was there. A very, 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 but you know what? He left us something.
Oh, of course.
And that's what's important. And this is life.
Legacy.
You see, every time I'm around here, I get wiser. What is it?
I don't know.
Because I see another vision with this hot topic. What kind of life you want? When you're dead,
legacy are gonna leave.
Exactly.
Yeah.
When you and I die, what will they say about us?
Yeah.
And I'm gonna say Simone
Good
inspired me and gave me wisdom every morning I sat down next to her. It's a good thing.
They can spend one more week in foreign.
You enjoying the flattery?